Welcome to Hospitality Property School. You are listening to Hospitality Property School with your host, Jerry McPherson. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson, and today I'm going to look at how to remove negativity from your life. Now, why would you want to remove negativity from your life? Well, the main reason? Negativity is a drain. Another is most people try to avoid negative people as much as possible, or at least reduce their contact with them to an absolute minimum. If you're suffering from an excess of negativity, it can greatly affect your business and possibly lead you into depression and to a downward spiral. How do you remove negativity from your life? Here are some tips that can help. 1. Be grateful. Gratitude is a powerful weapon against negativity. It's the opposite, and once you learn to be grateful, more often you'll find that your negativity struggles to manage your newfound gratitude. The easiest way to start is just say, thank you, more often. Ideally out loud, but at least in your head. And there's lots of things to be thankful for. The clothes you're wearing, the air you breathe, your family, your employees, anything. Start keeping a gratitude journal. And before you go to bed, write down at least 3 things that have happened during that day that you're grateful for. This will help put your mind in the right place to sleep. Number 2, exercise more. Exercise releases endorphins. Endorphins are a brain chemical known as neurotransmitters, which transmit electrical signals within the nervous system. They interact with receptors in the brain to reduce our perception of pain and act similarly to drugs such as morphine. These are a natural, feel-good mechanism that acts faster, better, and safer than any drug, prescription or otherwise. And they are generated for free when you exercise. Exercise doesn't mean you have to go to the gym or pool or even jog. It can be as simple as walking instead of taking your car for short journeys, or parking a little further away from the store entrance. Or you could deliberately go for a walk. 3. Eat healthy. Comfort food is easy to grab and does give you a quick sugar high, but that is soon followed by the negative side of eating food that is not exactly healthy. You could crash. Cut down on excess sugar. Gradually cut down the caffeine. Make slightly healthier choices when you eat. And when in the supermarket, read the labels. If the ingredients look like a chemical equation or make no sense to you, or you wouldn't add them to a recipe when you're cooking at home, maybe you shouldn't put them in your shopping cart. Don't keep high fructose corn syrup or its artificial partner, aspartame, in your kitchen. And don't buy products with them in. 4. Hypnotize yourself. Negativity isn't something you choose to do. It is something your subconscious mind has developed as a protection mechanism for you. Just as you can't tell your fingernails to stop growing, it's not easy to remove negativity or depression at a conscious level. An inexpensive way to start listening to a hypnosis recording can be found on YouTube. For example, hypnosis for clearing subconscious negativity. Rid yourself of negative thoughts. Hypnosis cleansing unwanted feelings and negative thinking. The best hypnosis for removing negativity from your mind. And there are many other options. Find the one that works for you. 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Self-doubt is grounded in fear. Fear that we make mistakes or do the wrong thing. It is simply the fear of negative things happening. To overcome this, you need to change your thought pattern. We all make mistakes. So don't allow mistakes to make you feel guilty and bad. Rather, let them be your teacher. Remember, you can recover from making a mistake. So do not allow the fear of making one turn you into self-doubt. Know that just because you make mistakes, it doesn't mean you're a failure. 6. Control your feelings. We are all born with the ability to make decisions without influence from outside. Self-doubt forces us to do things by placing outside pressure on us. To overcome it, you need to recognize that doubt is just a thought in your mind and only has the power to stop you from enjoying life if you allow it. In conclusion, overcoming negativity begins with you doing away with one habit and forming another one. Whatever the reason for your self-doubt or negative attitude towards yourself, if you follow some or all the steps that I've shared with you, you will give yourself the power to change. If you have any stories about how to remove negativity from your life and would like to share, or have any questions or feedback, leave them in the comments section of the show notes. You can find them at KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/KHDC089. That's it for today's session of Hospitality Property School. We do appreciate your comments, so if you have topic ideas, reach out to us on Facebook at facebook.com/KeystoneHDC, on Twitter at twitter.com/KeystoneHDC, or by email at info@KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com. As always, let's work together to put more heads in your beds. Until next time, have a fun day. This session of Hospitality Property School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe so as not to miss any hospitality property tactics and strategies that will help you find the success you have always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best content possible. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.